Welcome back. Today we are going back to basics with a classic, a homemade whole wheat bread. If you're after a wholesome, hearty loaf full of flavor, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Let's start by making a Poolish with 165 grams of flour. Add a pinch of yeast. Next, we will add 165 milliliters of water to the flour. Now keep mixing until your Poolish is smooth and well combined. You're looking for a thick, batter-like consistency. Once your Poolish is smooth, cover it up and let it rest overnight in the fridge. This slow fermentation will develop a deeper, richer flavor. Measure out 203 grams of flour and whole wheat flour. Next, we'll add 2 grams of yeast to the flour. Now grab a mixing bowl and add in the Poolish we made overnight. Now add 8 grams of salt. Now let's add 196 ml of water. Then we'll incorporate the flour and yeast from earlier. Mix well until combined. Once everything is combined, it's time to flour your workspace. Turn the dough out and start kneading for about 8 minutes. Once your dough is nicely kneaded, transfer it into a greased bowl for proofing. Cover it and let it rest for about 30 minutes. Once the 30 minutes are up, it's time to fold the dough. This will help further develop the gluten structure of the dough. After folding, let it ferment for another 30 minutes. Now it's time to shape the dough. Start by flouring your workspace again to prevent sticking. Gently turn the dough out and get ready to form it into a boule. Once your dough is shaped, let it proof for another 45 minutes. About 10 minutes before baking, let's pre-steam the oven. Take a baking tray, fill it with water and place it in the oven. The steam will create a nice crust on our bread. Place your loaf in the oven preheated to 240 Celsius and bake for about 35 minutes or until it's golden brown and sounds hollow when tapped.